show you the image analysis for this is it written out. First we're going to subtract background, adjust the threshold, then analyze particles, and then go through and either manually count the cells by eye or use the cell counter tool in image. Go and open the image. So for what we're going to do right now, it's going to be to, let's see, we'll do the IL treated green. So IL-4 24-hour infected green. Okay, we're going to keep that open. Alright, so first we're going to subtract the background with the defaults. Threshold. It'll come out to a default setting, what it thinks is best, but since we've been using, when I was doing this on the other images, 20 to 111, about right. Apples, we're going to leave that the same, 20 to 111. And so what that does is it's going to exclude the areas that were very bright above the bin 111. Hit apply. We're going to go to analyze particle. Change this from the default of 0 to the 100 setting here because that tended to work. 132798, and that's what we're going to put here, the total area, 132798. And then for the cell count, we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 cells. Range that we used, and we'll do it one more time for the reds so you can see it again. (24-hour) IL treated infected here for loading. So we're going to subtract background, adjust threshold, make it to our you can see some of the that's okay. Analyze particles from 100 to infinity. And this is the result from before, and this is our current result. So total area and cell count is the same, and we use the same, and that's just for. So then what we'll do here is this is where we did the area. And that carries through. Don't mind all the extra clicks here. Oops. So then what you want to do is you would go through and of course plot. This is area divided by cell, and so we're not really measuring intensity. What we do is we isolate the intensity by if you read my thesis, I talk about it more there. But qualified area, so used to isolate what by this method we are saying that any fluorescence between certain darkness and brightness values, we're going to count the square criteria. So then when we analyze the amount of fluorescence that met that criteria, and then we divide that by the cell count. Like I said, if the cells then that will make it a much more fluorescence per cell, when in fact maybe the cells were just themselves larger. I didn't have that issue in my project where the cells changed size much during infection, so that might be a unique challenge that you need to go through the analysis of fluorescence.